2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, compass, security alarm, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, sport appearance package. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.